Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is February 7th, 2025, and we're taking a look at Intel Corporation stock. Recent news suggests a mixed outlook for Intel, with some analysts maintaining a positive view due to the company's strong efforts in the semiconductor industry. However, the stock has experienced significant drops in recent months, trading below book value and signaling a period of uncertainty. Let's start by examining the daily chart. We can observe a clear downtrend that started around October 2024, which is consistent with the negative news regarding Intel's revenue forecast. The price dropped sharply from around $44 to below $20 in the following months, indicating considerable selling pressure. Notice the significant volume spikes during these price drops. This is further evidence of strong bearish sentiment, leading investors to exit their positions. We see some periods of consolidation, but the overall trend remains bearish, making short-term bullish predictions highly uncertain. If we zoom in on the period from late October 2024 to early November 2024, we see a sharp drop from roughly $44 to around $33. This occurred when the market reacted to news regarding Intel's disappointing revenue forecast. The high volume during this period adds to the bearish sentiment. Now let's switch to the hourly chart to gain a more granular perspective on price action. We can observe multiple instances of support and resistance levels breaking throughout November and December, indicating a lack of stabilization in the market. The hourly chart also shows that the price action is very volatile, with significant intraday swings that make it difficult for short-term traders to determine whether to go long or short. The frequent price reversals on the hourly chart would make any short-term prediction risky. Let's move to the 15-minute chart for an even closer look. Notice the frequent price fluctuations within each hour, confirming the high volatility observed on the hourly and daily charts. These sharp moves present numerous opportunities and risks. They make scalping or day trading Intel potentially profitable, but also very risky. From the 15-minute chart, it is difficult to find an evident pattern or trend. The rapid fluctuations suggest increased uncertainty and make short-term predictions unreliable. However, this volatility can also be an advantage for experienced traders who can identify short-term trends. Looking at all three charts together, the overall picture is one of significant uncertainty. While there may be some short-term opportunities, the long-term trend for Intel remains unclear. The recent drop below $20, coupled with negative news around the company's revenue outlook, paints a somewhat bleak outlook. In summary, key price levels to watch for Intel include the recent low near $19, which could serve as short-term support. However, the $20 level could act as resistance. There's a possibility of a short-term bounce from the $19 mark, but it's highly dependent on positive news or a change in market sentiment. A sustained break above $20 would be a stronger sign of a reversal. The likelihood of a short-term rebound from $19 is moderate, with positive news regarding Intel's innovation or better-than-expected earnings reports likely to increase the likelihood. However, a sustained break above $20 would be a more convincing sign. To strengthen your decision to trade, observe the volume patterns for confirmation and keep an eye on the news about the company's overall performance and developments in the semiconductor industry.